What is it called when you configure your system to operate above the manufacturer's default speed? Well, first of all, multi-clocking doesn't exist, and bidirectional bandwidth has nothing to do with configuring your system above the default speed. You could argue that a speed adjustment could be a good definition, but it's not the correct terminology. The correct terminology is called overclocking. This is when you increase your components above the default clock rate or bus speed, and this is above the manufacturer's recommended speed or fixed speed. This usually applies to overclocking your graphics processing unit, your central processing unit, or random access memory, usually. Overclocking is usually performed for performance gains, performance benefits, and is most common in the gaming communities. However, although you get a performance increase, there are some disadvantages. One being that you introduce more risk of damaging your components. There's a risk of introducing additional heat to your components, and you also risk voiding your warranty, so be careful.